Hey guys, Captain Keith here, coming to you from MarineMax Clearwater, along with
Captain Nick Pavlakis from MarineMax St. Pete here in Keith's backyard.
my domain.
What do we got going on here?
So we're gonna go hit the ship store up here and just kind of go through some items that are just really nice to have. We've done videos on like safety gear and things that you really need to have on your boat, but these are just additional items. We've covered some of this in some of our other videos, but just to kind of recap. You got the sunglasses. Just make sure you've got a good quality pair of polarized sunglasses so your eyes aren't straining out there, whether it's Costa Del Mar, Maui Jim, or whatever brand you prefer. Make sure they're good quality polarized glasses. We step on over here, we're gonna get into like toys, right? So you got the Zup boards, you may have tubes and things like that. All this is all readily available at your MarineMax Ship Stores. What you got over there, Nick?
We got some Yeti coolers, and let me tell you one thing. Yes, they are worth the money. Yes, they do hold ice that well. And yes, a grizzly bear can't attack them, and your ham sandwich is not going to get stolen. And Yeti's much more than coolers, too. All the different accessories. You buy a boat, retail therapy kicks in, and it's addictive. Trust me, it is. And Yeti's a great way to kind of let some of that retail therapy out. Then, of course, there's some things that are a little bit more essential, like what Keith's got right there.
So, once again, Nick was talking about quality, the quality of the Yeti, the quality of the Costa sunglasses or good polarized glasses. This happens to be a Fortress anchor. This is only 4 pounds, but it'll tell you it's good for boat sizes up to 16 to 27 feet. This is an ideal stern anchor. It's easy, it's lightweight. You climb out of the back of your boat, you can walk it up, stick it in the sand of the beach, and you're ready to go. Highly recommend these Fortress anchors.
Last but not least, we got a little bonus right here. It's amazing the stuff that they're coming out with nowadays. This is something called Toadfish. They make a little bit of everything, but let's talk about their koozies a little bit more in depth. So you're on your boat, you're got the waves going, it's not gonna bend over, you're not gonna spill your drink. Of course, you're gonna put it off to the side like that. You see that there's a little suction cup down there. So just one of those cool little things, put it right there on your dash, on your center console, along with some of their other accessories and of course the rods and reels. So what I'm trying to say here, what Keith and I are trying to explain is no need to go to the big retailers, right? You buy your boat at MarineMax, you have your service done at MarineMax, chances are they have exactly what you're looking for right there in the ship store.
Yep, no doubt about it. So your one-stop shop, we've got you covered all the way from new boats to buy, to finance, to service, to getting fun stuff for your boat to get you out on the water. So check out your local MarineMax store, and we'll see you guys out on the water.
I guess.